Now we're gonna do. Now we are going to Typo together. Yeah, I had to attend that activation because it's for the event that's happening on Friday, and I'm part of like the influencers. I am so over today's shop, to be honest. Like, and I feel like my room has everything here now. I don't know what else I want because I literally have everything. So I'm a bit. Don't you notice how I get quiet when there's no one else around? Me and you. So this is why I went to. Don't you? Because I didn't show you guys at KFC. So I went to try the Kentucky Town thingy, the donut burger. That's all I wanted to try. Good morning. I hope you guys are well. It's a new day into the vlog, and today we shooting type of content with Noxie. Guys, I'm so tired, but I can't like not shoot this content today because there's a lot going on. But anyways, and I'm also going to fix my lashes because a couple fell off. This will look good, and I don't know, like last week I felt like maybe this side was gonna fall off, but it held on. So I'm gonna go fix that now with Sebi, and then yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm doing something exciting. I'm always carrying so much stuff, you guys. But now I am on my way to school.
Michelle's channel. Hello.
That is so kind of you.
Hi. Give us an update.
So I'm here with the Nox, and we are going to shoot again for the title campaign. Don't you notice how I get quiet when there's no one else around? Me and you in awkward silence. Don't you dare look at me that way. So weird. The picture is so weird.
Cringe fest.
Good morning, you guys. It's a new day into the vlog. Today is Wednesday. And I'm getting back to my routine now, where I go for my daily steps and yeah, and all of that. One thing I also want to mention, guys, procrastinating is not gonna help you. Like, this is coming from a big procrastinator. Procrastinating is not gonna help you because, tell me why now. Before I start with my day, I should start with folding my laundry, and this is something that I could have done yesterday, but in my defense, I was tired. Yes, I was tired, but there was a point where like I felt like I had energy. I should have done them yesterday. So what I'm saying is, like, it's really true that procrastinating makes today easy, but the next day like tough, because now I have a lot stacked up, but I have to spend like my 30 minutes folding laundry. But anyways, that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to fold my laundry. I also am going to go for my walk. After going for my walk, I don't know if I should take the walk now or in the evening. I'm not sure. I'll see. And then yeah, I'm gonna do some uni.
dark chocolate jungle bar, the energy bar. It's so nice. Second stop of the day, we're going to the CK mini. I have my bestie right here, and I'm going to see Kaz in a bit. I'm excited. Exactly.
I want you to stay till I'm in the grave.
Dear Bella, you're the sweetest.
Till
Trying
I
to
fall
end.
away, dead and buried. Till I'm in the casket.
Guys, hello. Today is Friday.
I'm going
Excuse this angle. I understand how weird it is, but I just feel like I need to say something for today because you can't just see me like at the place I need to be. Me and my friends are going to Johannesburg for Kaz's birthday, and yo guys, I need clothes. Oh, I need so many things. It's so many bills, bitch. Yo. So yeah, today I have the link up first event, and then I'm going there at 6, so I'm gonna take you with me. I'm gonna show you my outfit as well, and yeah, that whole jazz. I just want to come here and say that today is a Friday and it's a busy Friday and it's gonna be a busy weekend as well. Yo, I'm tired already.
Don't you notice how I get quiet when there's no one else around?
Because my room is such a mess, I can't even show you guys properly what I'm eating, but I'm having a burger from Spar and I'm gonna pack. I'm not gonna even show you my room. Because I've never packed this effectively before. This is the first like type of set convenience. Love it. She stopped. Exactly. She stopped vlogging. Okay, so I got on a channel. Under construction. Under construction.
We're gonna celebrate Kazim's birthday. I'm based this side now.
Thank the living God for real.
But sure, guys, hope you guys enjoy the vlog.
Tall besties. This is my outfit. This is my traveling outfit. Nothing much. Okay, so we start here. When you walk in, this is the room. There's also a TV. You can already see inside. Then there's a bathroom. You walk in and there's a bathroom. Oh my days. Guys, I'm so obsessed. Oh my god. Alright. Okay. Come on now. This is so cute, you guys. Side. I don't know what this area is, sure, but we go to the side, then there's this area. This could be an actual like nice 1-bedroom apartment. TBH. Kesana. Yo, this is so pretty. My days. Here's a 360 of the. Now we're gonna do this so you guys can see all of it. It looks good. I love it. The room. What's there? What's here? Final bye. Okay guys, so that now that we are done with the room tour and everything, I quickly have to shower and freshen up because My friend's flight is at 4, and probably they'll be here. I don't know in the next. I don't know it, but I'm gonna push something. In the meantime, guys, I just wanna talk to you about the typo traveling kid whatever situation. Guys, so good. It's really convenient, especially if you're an overpacker like me. Look at how free my bag is. Do you see that bag is really small for the overpacking I be doing, cha? Do you see? Literally, this is all I have. I have this urge to go to the pool, but I just remembered I literally did not pack anything that is pool friendly. Like I basically packed like outfits to go out, and all of the things that I got. Do you see? All of the things I got. Like these are just things to like wear, like when I'm going out with my friends, the outings, like seeing people, like literally even the stuff I went to buy. So now I don't know. I'm gonna wait. Let me bring you closer. You're so far. Are you comfortable there? You should be comfortable here. So now what I'm thinking of doing is going to the pool when there's no one there, so that I can wear like, you know, a brief and maybe a crop top, and then, you know, go there and swim. That's my plan. I pretty much, guys, don't have plans now because I'm alone and my friends are busy and all of that, so I don't have plans now. I already ate breakfast. I'm not hungry currently, so I don't know if I should order. I don't know if I should go order a cocktail and then go sit by the pool, or what should I do? What do you think I should do? I think that sounds nice though, but there's so many people on social anxiety, bro. I'm a major anxious person, sweetie. I can't. Yo guys, and yes, now like doing the awkward, and they want the cooler, they want the less, but doing the awkward and the names. Like, why Siba Ninzi? Why na yo? You remember when I got here, I got these and the breakfast, so I didn't eat them. So I'm gonna just watch something now, and you know, I've started, and then eat whilst I wait for my friends. So we are getting ready together. Don't ask me what are we getting ready for, because I literally have no plans, but I am getting ready, cha. But this is going to be for my Instagram and TikTok. You guys are going to have to get ready with me to attend my friend's 21st birthday. I don't know if I told you guys that's the reason why I'm here. We're here for my friend's 21st birthday. So I'm going to record for Insta today, then tomorrow it's you guys, right? Yeah.
I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I rot away, dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry. If you go, I'm going too, 'cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby.
Leaving.
Till I go away.
guys, I'm running so late. We're going to my friend's dinner. I'm waiting for my makeup to set. Nothing diafa. Say hi to the vlog, babe.
Okay. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Like,
Yeah, bro. How old? How old are you? Okay, guys, that's it. I am leaving. Let's go to my next thing.